In this video, I will show you how you can reset the passcode for guided access on your iPad 11 A16 if you have forgotten it. Now, first of all, I will show you how you can disable guided access if you have enabled it, but if you have forgotten the passcode. Now let's open an app and let's enable guided access. Now to turn off guided access without the passcode, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad and press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now it might take around 10 seconds, but keep pressing and holding the side button, and as you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart is completed, then just swipe up. And as you can see, we have successfully disabled guided access. Now to reset the passcode for guided access, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Guided Access. Over here, you will find the option for passcode settings. Now just tap on Passcode Settings and select Set Guided Access Passcode. Now over here, just create a new passcode for guided access. Just like that. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now after you do that, you will reset the passcode for guided access and you will set a new passcode. Now let's check if the passcode is working or not. So I'll open the app and I will enable guided access. Now to turn off guided access, just press the side button 3 times. Now let's enter our new passcode. As you can see, I have the option to end and disable guided access. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.